In this example, we have both dATOM and atom on Pryzm. With these, we can provide liquidity to the dATOM boost pool. Let's start by looking at the dATOM boost pool, which consists of 10% atom and 90% dATOM yield. First, we need to mint some dATOM yield tokens. To do this, go back to the pools and select a dATOM yield pool token. We'll use zero price impact mode. We have 0.9 dATOM, so let's use 0.5. This will give us dATOM yield tokens without any swapping. Click Provide Liquidity and sign the transaction in your wallet. Now you hold the dATOM yield pool token. Next, return to the pools page to provide liquidity. Select dATOM in the boost pool, which earns droplets, and click Optimize. This balances the liquidity for both atom and dATOM yield perfectly with no price impact. Provide liquidity, sign the message in your wallet, and approve. Now you hold the dATOM boost pool token and earn 10 droplets per dATOM in the boost pool. You also earn a high yield on this token. Currently, the yield on the dATOM boost pool is 31% because the dATOM yield token inside the pool is earning yield itself. You can also check the tokens page to see how the dATOM boost price has performed. Compare its price to any token like Atom and adjust the time frames to see its performance over different time periods. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more updates. Thanks for watching.